Let me bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, if you would please weigh in about number one, the judges speaking to the defendant, not unusual, informing them they have the right to testify. Do they understand that? They can claim the privilege. But then he started to go through the sentencing. And do you understand the sentence could be 21 years to life? Was that typical in your experience to go through that with the defendant at pretrial motions?
No. The only time I've seen it is when a defendant like waives her right to an attorney and waives her right to a jury trial. That was more like I've never even seen it when people have a public defender and they waive a jury and they ask for a bench trial. It was very bizarre. And he kept talking about the 3850 motion, which is really for post-conviction. Hey, you have the right for this, you have the right for that. And he said, well, I want to be when her attorney challenged her, he said, well, I want to just make sure that she knows, because later on she's going to bring up all these things and she might bring them up. And I want to just lay a record like, wow, it was too much. It was so much, Judge Ashley, that her attorney had to stand up, felt compelled to say she's satisfied with her choice of counsel. I've already conveyed that to her. And then even after the bizarre train was over, then her attorney stood up and answered another question where the judge said, hey, if she has these questions, she'll actually convey them to me, and then I'll convey them to you. You don't have to have this situation. So there's a place for it, Judge Ashley, but it went too far. It went off the rails, I think, 5 minutes.